Hello and welcome to today's Tuesday tip. Today I want to go over some reasons why you might want to consider the affiliate blogging income model. Now, if you're watching this, I'm going to assume that you're contemplating jumping into the affiliate blogging business. If you are already pursuing affiliate blogging, then you'd already know all the reasons why I think it is such a good business model. So, with that being said, if you're new to the game, get really excited because you're about to learn the many reasons why you should seriously consider affiliate blogging as one of your money-making ventures. So let's go. Number one, you can get started very inexpensively. Most of the time when you start a business, you have to have a lot of money to get started. You need inventory, you need a place to rent, to sell from, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Even if you're starting an online business, sometimes you need to put a lot of money into development and a ton of time into creation. That's what makes being an affiliate blogger so attractive. If you have $10 for a domain name and $10 a month for hosting, then you can get started right now. Later on, once you're making money, you can invest some of it into a better design for your blog, advertising, or content, but to get started, you can keep costs under $20 a month. Number two, cash in on what you love. If you're smart, you'll start your blog around a topic or niche that you love so that you can get paid to create content about something that you're actually interested in. Yeah, sometimes our passions aren't profitable, but you can at least find something profitable to create an affiliate blog around that you want to learn about, and then you're getting paid for learning. How cool is that? Number three, multiple streams of income. As an affiliate blogger, you're usually not going to just promote one product. If you pick a broad enough niche, you can find multiple products to promote and create multiple streams of income. Some affiliates only promote a few products, but there are affiliates who promote hundreds of different products. It's always going to depend on your niche, but most niches will have several different products you can promote as an affiliate so that you can create multiple streams of income. Number four, passive income. The term passive income gets thrown around a lot, and as an affiliate blogger, it's hard to run your business passively, so creating passive income really isn't an option. You've always got to be creating content and promoting that content. However, there are some things you can do to work for an income and then have it keep coming in passively. Here's two examples. You could put a lot of work and effort in and get your site getting organic traffic via SEO. If you're not into too competitive of a niche, that traffic will flow without much effort from you. Also, if you can find affiliate programs that pay you a recurring commission, say they charge the customer a monthly fee, then you work to make that first sale, but after that, you get paid automatically by the same customer. Number five, help and entertain others. If you're doing things right, your content on your blog will either help or entertain your readers. Better yet, if you can do both. Wouldn't it be great to get paid to help others? As an affiliate blogger, you have that opportunity. Number six, no expert status needed. Many people who make a lot of money online create and sell their own products. That requires being an expert on a topic, and let's face it, even when we know a lot about a topic or niche, we're usually not quite experts. You can get started with being an affiliate blogger by doing other things rather than providing expert content. You can do journal-style posts where you're creating content about your experiences related to your niche. You could create reviews and tutorials. You could even pay an expert to create your content for you and take content creation totally out of the equation. The bottom line is you don't have to be an expert by any means to get started. Number seven, fame. I'm going to live forever. If you know where that quote came from, you get 1,000 fake internet points. I'm kidding. Seriously, being an affiliate blogger can bring you some serious fame. I mean, look at the tens of thousands of people across so many niches that are famous in their own right as bloggers and influencers. They are just everyday normal people and they did it. So can you. Number eight, it can be a stepping stone to bigger things. Being an affiliate blogger is a great starting point for anyone looking to start an online business. You can learn a lot while making money, and if you do it right, you can make a lot of money that you can take and invest in the businesses of your dreams. I know an affiliate blogger who started making a lot of money and then started investing in real estate. He doesn't blog much now because he's made so much money from his investing. I know another affiliate blogger who sold his blog for millions and went on to start a different blog in a totally different niche. I wonder if he'll do that again. Number 9, no experience needed. Becoming an affiliate blogger and making money with it isn't that hard if you are focused and you keep learning as you go. You don't need any special skills or training or even higher education. This allows just about anyone to be able to start and profit from their own affiliate blog. Number 10, you leave the product creation and support to others. Yes, you can make a lot of money creating your own products, but there is a lot of hard work, time, and headaches that go with it. As an affiliate blogger, the only thing you'll have to do is create content that your audience wants and answers questions about that content. And that's not hard because you know your topic. You won't need a support staff or even a help desk. Put a simple form on your blog that people can contact you through, and you can even manage everything via email if you keep things simple. Number 11, you're in charge. And the biggest benefit, you get to be the boss. You get to decide what you want, when you want. You get to decide what content gets created, how it's presented, the hours you work, and everything in between. So, if you weren't already super excited about starting your own affiliate blog, you should be at this point. I just provided you with 11 reasons why affiliate blogging can be a fun and lucrative online business model, and there are many more. Another thing, don't forget to download our affiliate campaign checklist to keep you on track during all of your affiliate promotions. You will find this checklist extremely helpful. Take care.